Welcome to our channel. Holiday travel requires extra planning to manage higher costs and crowds. Step 1. Book flights and accommodations as early as possible for the best rates. Step 2. Consider traveling on the actual holiday rather than the days before or after when prices peak. Step 3. Be flexible with exact dates if possible to find cheaper options. Step 4. Look into alternative destinations that don't celebrate the same holidays. Step 5. Use price alerts to monitor fare changes and book when prices drop. Step 6. Consider package deals that bundle flights and hotels for better value. Step 7. Earn and use loyalty points specifically for expensive holiday travel. Step 8. Set up price alerts months in advance to understand pricing patterns. Step 9. Check smaller regional airports that might have better deals. Step 10. Stay slightly outside main tourist areas where prices are inflated during holidays. Step 11. Make restaurant reservations well in advance as popular places fill quickly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.